had to get way over. Is those assholes?
I'm making a Bud Light commercial, look. I'm making a Bud Light commercial.
Save water, drink beer. Save water, drink beer.
Who needs a beer?
Who needs a Bud Light?
Joe, you Bud Light?
I need a Bud Light beer.
Oh! Don't put that on YouTube, John.
What? We got, that's one on all of our mouth stations. Yeah? Need a hand?
Nope, I got the cool one.
Hey, you want to get video of me do a backflip off of this motherfucker?
Yes. Let Caleb video. Let me pee first.
Let me pee first.
No, because I sent this comment one time to Keisha, and I found it. There was a black girl in her bra and panties trying to look hot. There's a black girl in her bra and panties trying to look hot, y'all.
I will.
If you're in the bathroom, you know how everybody does the bathroom thing? She's in her bra and panties trying to look hot. But she had pooped in the toilet before that, and she left the bird float. What'd you do?
I did.
So when she took the
I had to wait and see what the outcome of that is.
she found the bird float in the toilet.
Oh no! Thought you was gonna say the bathtub.